Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be reviewing Paychex, which is a payroll service that offers payroll and HR solutions for businesses. So I'll be talking about Paychex's key features and services, pricing and plan options, the benefits of using Paychex for your payroll needs, and its drawbacks. So let's get started. Now, if at any point you'd like to try Paychex for yourself, you'll find helpful links in the description down below, including a discount code to help save you some extra moolah. Now, Paychex is a well-established provider of payroll and human resource solutions that has built a strong reputation in the industry for its comprehensive range of services and excellent customer support. Also, Paychex serves a wide range of businesses from small startups to large corporations. The company has experience working with a diverse range of industries, including healthcare, finance, and retail. Whether you're looking for basic payroll processes or more complex HR solutions for your business, Paychex has the expertise to provide tailored solutions that meet your specific needs. Now, Paychex's key features and services include payroll processing, tax services, and employee benefits administration. The company's payroll processing services are designed to simplify the payroll process and ensure timely and accurate payment of employees. Paychex also offers tax services that help you stay up to date with the latest payroll regulations and tax codes, reducing the risk of errors and penalties. Additionally, Paychex's employee benefits administration services can help businesses manage their employee benefits programs more effectively. The company offers support for health insurance, retirement plans, and other employee benefits, which can be a complex and time-consuming process for any business to manage on their own. And so by outsourcing these tasks to Paychex, businesses can free up time and resources to focus on their core operations. Now, payroll processing is one of the core services offered by Paychex. The company offers you a wide range of tools and services designed to simplify and steamroll the payroll process, ensuring timely and accurate payment of employees while also maintaining compliance with all the tax laws and regulations. Paychex typically runs payroll on a regular basis depending on the specific needs of each business. This can be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly depending on how frequently the employees are paid. Paychex also offers flexible scheduling options, allowing you to adjust payroll schedules as needed to accommodate holidays and any other event. Paychex also offers a range of payment options for employees, including direct deposit, pay cards, and traditional paper checks. Direct deposit is a popular option that allows employees to have their paychecks deposited directly into their bank accounts, eliminating the need for paper checks and reducing the risk of fraud or theft. Pay cards are another option that allows employees to access their pay through a prepaid debit card, which can be a convenient option for employees who do not have bank accounts. And to ensure accuracy and compliance with tax laws and regulations, Paychex offers a range of tools and services designed to simplify tax reporting and ensure timely and accurate payment of taxes. This includes automatic tax calculations, tax filing and payments, and year-end tax reporting, W-2 and 1099 processing, and tax deposit services. Paychex also offers you access to tax experts who can answer questions and offer guidance on all tax-related issues. And another key benefit of using Paychex for tax services is that they stay up to date with changes to tax laws and regulations, and this is going to be beneficial for businesses that operate in multiple states or have employees who work remotely. They monitor changes to tax laws and regulations and updates its software and services accordingly, ensuring that you stay compliant with all the tax laws and avoid any penalties or fines. Now, employee benefits administration is an important aspect of managing a workforce, and Paychex does offer a range of services to help businesses effectively manage their employee benefits programs. With Paychex, you can streamline the process of offering and managing benefits such as health insurance and retirement plans. They also offer a variety of tools and resources to help businesses manage their employee benefits programs, including online enrollment and administration, compliance assistance, and support for multiple plan types. Paychex also offers you access to a wide range of benefits providers, allowing you to offer your employees a comprehensive range of benefits options. Now, another key benefit of using Paychex for employee benefits administration is the ability to attract and retain employees with competitive benefits packages. Paychex can help you design and implement benefits packages that are tailored to the needs of your employees while also staying within budget constraints. So by offering comprehensive benefits packages, you can improve employee satisfaction and retention rates, which can ultimately lead to increased productivity and profitability for your company. Also, in addition to health insurance and retirement retirement plans, Paychex offers a range of other employee benefit services, including flexible spending accounts, life and disability insurance, and employee assistance programs. All these benefits help you attract and retain top talent and create a more positive work environment for your employees. Now, when it comes to pricing, Paychex offers various pricing and plan options to fit the specific needs of businesses of all sizes. The pricing model is transparent and there are no hidden fees associated with the service. You can get a quote online or by speaking with a representative to determine the best plan for your needs. Along with its payroll and human resources services, Paychex also offers 24/7 customer support to help you with any questions or issues that you might have, and you can reach them through phone, email, or live chat. They also offer various additional resources to customers, such as a knowledge base with helpful articles and tutorials, webinars, and in-person training sessions. And additionally, Paychex's customer support team includes certified payroll professionals who are knowledgeable about the latest payroll and HR regulations and requirements. This ensures that you can rely on Paychex for accurate information and guidance to help you stay compliant and avoid penalties or fines. Now, Paychex offers a user-friendly and intuitive user interface that makes it easy for you to manage their payroll and HR tasks. The platform has a clean and modern design with clear navigation menus and easy-to-use tools. And one of the notable features of Paychex's UI is its customizable dashboard. You can tailor the dashboard to show the specific information and tasks that are most important to you, such as upcoming payroll processing dates or employee benefit enrollment periods. Additionally, it includes helpful analytics and reports such as employee turnover rates or labor costs to help businesses make informed decisions. And another key aspect of their UI is their mobile app, which offers on-the-go access to key payroll and HR features, allowing you to manage your tasks from anywhere at any time. You can use the app to view and approve employee time cards, access payroll reports, and even pay employees from your mobile device. However, one of the main drawbacks is that the UI can be a bit complex and difficult to navigate, especially if you're a new user. And so finding what you're searching for and completing tasks quickly and effectively might be hard considering the quantity of features and options available. Additionally, you may find the UI to be outdated or not as visually appealing as other payroll service providers. And another potential drawback is that certain features and services may come at an additional cost, such as advanced reporting or time and attendance tracking. This can add up and make Paychex a more expensive option compared to other providers that offer these features as part of their standard packages. Now, do keep in mind that the UI is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so most users should not find it difficult to navigate. However, as with any new software, there may be a learning curve for users who are not familiar with the platform. And so to help users get up to speed, Paychex does offer training and support resources, including webinars, tutorials, and a dedicated support team. The platform also includes helpful tooltips and guides throughout the UI to assist users with specific tasks. However, as with any popular service, Paychex does have a few drawbacks that you should be aware of. First, Paychex's rates can be a bit higher than some of their competitors, especially for small businesses with fewer employees. Additionally, Paychex does require customers to sign a contract for its service, which can be a drawback for businesses that prefer more flexible arrangement. However, if you'd like to give Paychex a try, do feel free to use the coupon code that I linked in the description down below to help save you some extra money with your next purchase. Also, time tracking is a separate service from Paychex, which can be convenient for businesses that have to use multiple platforms for their payroll and time tracking needs. This can result in extra time and effort spent on managing different systems and potentially lead to errors or discrepancies in data. Additionally, it may be more costly for businesses to use separate services for time tracking and payroll as opposed to all-in-one solutions. And finally, Paychex's range of services and features can be complex and a bit overwhelming for some users, particularly those who are not familiar with payroll or HR processes. But despite these drawbacks, Paychex remains a top choice for businesses looking for a comprehensive payroll and HR solution. All in all, Paychex is a leading provider of payroll and HR solutions, serving businesses of all sizes. Its key features and services, including payroll processing, tax services, and employee benefits administration make it a top choice for many businesses. There are some drawbacks to consider, such as higher pricing, but Paychex's reputation for accuracy and compliance with tax laws makes it a reliable option for businesses. And so that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, feel free to leave a like and let me know if you have any questions in the description down below. And of course, subscribe because I've got a lot more reviews coming your way. And guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.